Good morning everyone. Today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 14, money. Now as you know children, 1 rupee has 100 paisa and rupees is a bigger unit whereas paisa is a smaller unit. Now whenever you do the change or do the conversion of money, we always from rupees to paisa, whenever we convert, we multiply with 100. And whenever we change from paisa to rupees, we always divide by 100 because see, rupees to paisa if you are going, rupees to paisa you are going, you have to multiply. But if you are going from paisa to rupees, that means changing, so then you will divide. There is always a rule that whenever a bigger unit is changed into smaller unit, we multiply, and from if we changing from smaller to bigger unit, we always divide. Now divide by 100 because we are solving the money part. We are doing this conversion in money part. Now see these questions. Why this 5000 paisa to rupees you have to change? Paisa is a smaller unit, rupees is a bigger unit. So what you will do? You will divide by 100. So 5000 divide by 100. Now both the way you can follow, any one you can follow. Either you do in this way, just cut down to 0 here because 2 zeros are given above, also same number of zeros you have to cut on the numerator also. Now you will get the answer rupees 50. Or there is another way that from the right hand side you count down the 2 digits and then put the point before it. So the number after point are paisa and the number before it is rupees. So here 50 rupees. There is no paisa here. Now 8 rupees 50 you have to change into paisa. Now this you will multiply by 100. Now 2 zeros are there, so this point will shift towards 2 digits further. So that means 850 paisa. So you have to just remove the point from there. So you will get the answer. Now 8 paisa. This again you have to change into rupees. So paisa to rupees means you have to divide by 100. Now 8, one digit, then 0 because there is no number before it. So it has become now paisa. Now put point here and then 0. So it has become rupee because it is less than 1. So rupee 8. Now see here 4, 5, 3, 2, 5. You can directly also see from right hand side you count 2 digit numbers 1, 2 and then put before it point. So you will get rupees. So the number after point is paisa and the number before it is rupees. So in this way we will do the conversion. Now children, we are going to do the operations with money. See, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So how we are going to do? You just see it. The way you add, the same way you have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The only difference is of putting point. You have to make it separate whether this is a paisa column and this is a rupee column. Now see here. 5 plus 0 is 5, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3 11, 1 here, 1 here. Now point is there. Now this point should be in the same symmetry children. So put the point here. Then 7, 8, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. 2 can. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 here and 1 here. And 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 2 here and 1 here. Now this is 5. So answer is 5221 rupees 15 paisa. The same way you have to do subtraction, as 0 is given there and 5 is smaller number, you cannot subtract from it, so you will borrow it. Now the neighbor number is also having 0, so from there also you cannot take, so take the borrow from here. So it will be decreased by 8 and here it will become 10 and here it will become 9. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 3, 8 minus 8 0, 7 minus 2 5 and this is 5. So your answer is 550 rupees 35 paisa. Now children, multiplication. 5 5s are 25. The same way you have to do the multiplication. Only you have to keep it in mind where you have to put the point. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 1 carry. Now point is there before that. Put the point in. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. 3 carry. 5 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 5 nines are 45. Now this is in rupees, so write down rupees. 4,536 rupees 25 paisa. Now we are going to do the division part. Now 72 rupees 48 paisa you have to divide by 6. Now first number 7, it is greater than the divisor, so it will be 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. Then bring another number 12. 12 comes to the table of 6 2 times. So 6 2s are 12. It has also come. Then point is there. Put the point. Now you are doing changing it. 4. Now 4 is smaller than 6. It will not go. So put 0 above the quotient part. Then bring the next number down. 8. Now 48 comes in the table of 6 8 times. So your remainder is 0. So what is our answer? Our answer is 12 rupees 8 paisa. By dividing 72 rupees 48 paisa by 6, you will get 12 rupees 8 paisa. 0 8 means 8 paisa. If 8 is written, then it is 80 paisa. Otherwise, it will be considered as, if you don't put 0 here, it will be considered as 80 paisa. So mind it, where you have to put 0, where you have to put. So in this way, we will do the operations with money. Now children, another question. Rekha earns 143 rupees 65 paisa in a day. That means one day. So how much does she earn in a week? Week means 7 days. So in 7 days, how much she will get? So what you will do? Multiplication. So write money earned in a day, that is rupees 143.65 paisa. Now number of days in a week, that is given 7. Now multiply this. 7 5s are 35, 3 carry. 7 3 6 are 42 plus 3 45. So 5 here, put the point here and then 4 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 carry, that is 25. 2 carry. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. So put 0 here and 3 carry. 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10. So what is the answer? Rekha is earning 1005 rupees 55 paisa. In this way, children, we have to solve the word problem. Now we will make a bill also. Now children, you have to make a bill. You went to a market and you purchase all these things: sweets, apples and glue. The cost of each item is given to you. Sweets 142 rupees 65 paisa, apples 23 rupees 50 paisa, and glue 10 rupees. So how much you spend on the market, that you have to make up for that bill, and bill means you have to do addition. So first you write the number of items you purchased. First sweets, apples, then glue. Now rupees column you make it separately and paisa column separately. It will be easy for you to do the calculation. Now 142 rupees, this is 65 paisa. You write in the paisa. Then apples cost 23 rupees 50 paisa. So start from writing from here. 23 rupees and 50 paisa. Then glue is of only 10 rupees, so no paisa. Put 0 here. Now add the bill. Total bill rupees. Now 5. 6 plus 5 11. 1 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. And this is 7. And there is no number below 1. So here we will put the point. So what is the answer? 176 rupees 15 paisa. So the bill was of 176 rupees 15 paisa. Children, in this way we will do the money. Okay, we will do all the questions related to it given in the book, and tomorrow we will discuss about time. I hope you have understood it. With this, thank you.